Today we talk about how can you change login password on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account and security, you just click on it here. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just click here on change login password, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you enter your login password here. Then you click on next. Then it's going to take you to to verify or login password again on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.